If you want to know how to log into your hosting or email, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to access your hosting or mailbox quickly and easily, even if it's your first time using it. This is a simple process, but I'll explain each step clearly so you can follow along without confusion. And if this tutorial helps you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software and website tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is go to your Hostinger dashboard. You can do this by signing into your Hostinger account in your browser. Once you're inside the dashboard, you'll see all of your hosting and email tools in one place. This is where Hostinger lets you manage your domain, website, and email services from a single control panel. Now that you're in the dashboard, look for the Emails section and click on it. This is the area where all of your email-related settings are stored. If you've already set up an email address with Hostinger, this is where you'll find the mailbox connected to your domain. After opening emails, you'll want to click on Mailboxes. This will show you the list of all email accounts that have been created for your domain. If you only have one email address, it should be easy to spot. If you have multiple addresses, make sure you choose the correct one that you want to access. Next, find the Webmail option next to your email address and click on it. Webmail is the browser-based way to open your Hostinger email without needing to set it up in another app first. This is the fastest method if you simply want to log in and read or send emails right away. Once you click Webmail, you may be asked to enter your email address and password. Go ahead and type in the full mail address and the correct login details. Make sure there are no typos, especially if your email includes your domain name. Then click the Login button to continue. If your credentials are correct, Hostinger will take you directly into your inbox. From there, you can read new messages, send replies, organize folders, and manage your mailbox just like any other email service. If you have trouble logging in, double-check that you're using the right password and that your mailbox is active inside Hostinger. And that's it. You've now learned how to log in to Hostinger email by going to the dashboard, opening emails, selecting mailboxes, clicking Webmail, and signing in with your email address and password. It's a straightforward process once you know where everything is located. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.